his soul rest in peace. Honorable Stedman, Costas Rotilorum of Kingston, representing His Excellency the Governor General, the Most Honorable Sir Patrick Allen, Honorable Desmond Mackenzie, Minister of Local Government and Community Development, representing Dr. the Most Honorable Andrew Holness, Prime Minister, Mr. Jesse James Clark, Councillor, Swallowfield Division, representing the Leader of the Opposition, Mr. Mark Foley, members of the Jamaica Fire Brigade Board, members of Jamaica Fire Brigade Retirees Association, Mr. Julian Robinson, Member of Parliament, Pastor David Henry, Postmaster, Solitary Chapel, Deputy Commissioners, Messieurs Malcolm, Martin, and all. Other senior officers, rank and file members of the non-uniformed group who are here in their numbers this morning, and of course, other distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. I am sure I can speak for all of us as visitors in thanking Chapel and to you, the members of the congregation, for not only opening the doors of your chapel, but your hearts in welcoming us in worship here this morning. Thank you, Pastor Henry. Thank you, members of the church. The Bible says, unless the Lord builds the house, the laborer in vain. And we are mindful of this. And this is the reason why we are here gathered today in the house of the Lord, asking for God's guidance and His divine assistance as we set out on fire and light, safety awareness week ahead. As you heard earlier, the week of activities will be marked commencing today, Sunday, October 27th, to Saturday, November 2nd, under the theme, Embracing Digital Innovation to Improve Fire Safety. As always, the activities planned for the observance of the week are aimed at you, the wider public. We will be bringing the message and, of course, practice of fire safety habits into sharp focus, teaching, encouraging, and imploring our target audience to develop and exercise safe habits as prevention against the risk of fires and other disasters. As we embrace the digital era and its conveniences, it's important, ladies and gentlemen, that we remain aware of the importance of safeguarding our lives and livelihood from the ravages of fires. Let me use this opportunity to implore all Jamaicans from all walks of life to join the Jamaica Fire Brigade in this week of activities, as we seek to sensitize our communities and how they can leverage technology to make their homes a place of work, place of worship. Exits the fire extinguishers, so that we can all enjoy a safer Jamaica. Think on this, my fellow Jamaicans. Fire prevention is our best defense against fires. Whatever fire prevented is a property spared. Whatever fire prevented is a dollar saved. Whatever fire prevented there's probably a life still. It therefore behoves us as a country to practice and take preventative measures in all we do. Because the more we prevent, the more we save in lives and property. This, essentially, ladies and gentlemen, shall be our message over the week ahead. And with the divine star we are making here this morning, we are assured of the success of the program of activities for the week. As we embark on the week of activities, I ask that you remember the men and women of Jamaica Fire Brigade in your prayers, not just for the week ahead, but for always. As we go about our daily duties, battling fires, dealing with the emergencies as they occur, and fulfilling our mandate, saving lives, protecting property. God bless you all.
Thank you very much, Commissioner. At this time, we'll invite those who are going to be supporting us in the collection of the offering to